Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. This is a demonstration of a search tool built in Python. I've got a interest in purchasing maybe the Sony a6400. I don't own one, maybe I'll buy one. But first I need to go out and do some search. And I'm going to use the search tool that I built with the help of Horst Jens. And going to start the search creator. And there's quite a bit of code here. Don't worry about it too much. Let me just go ahead and start it up for you. Control F5 in Visual Studio Code, and in a moment the code will start. And it did. It's right there. And I'm going to search for the Sony a6400, and I'm going to search in COM. I'm going to search in English, and I'm just going to get the total number of sites, 50. Pause in seconds. Let's set that to 2 seconds and stop after 50 sites. I click submit. It gives me a pop-up showing what I've searched for, search query. Top level domain is COM, language is English, number of sites 50. So I run that search, and in a few moments you can see I'm getting a number of URLs, and let's go ahead and open that directory. Now, because the search query itself is included in the file name, very thoughtful, I know where my results are. I open this with another application. I'm going to use LibreOffice in this case. And in a moment, I should get the search results. There they are. Click OK. And you can see that I've got 50 hits. And each one of these is giving me a web page. And there are quite a few duplicates, so that's something I'm going to have to take a look at. But you can see that the search result worked. Now, come back for the next video and I'll show you how to process these search results. Thanks for watching, and happy computing.